as long as no police saw the way I was driving between these places. So it's very chaotic, but I was on a mission. Anyway. So my name is Corey Carruth. I'm the owner and founder of Sky's the Limit Car Care. We focus on offering really high quality car care products to people that love their cars or want to take care or protect their cars, and then of course educating them on how to do that. The car behind me here, Saturn Sky, is actually the reason that we named it Sky's the Limit. It was just a hobby, you know, I got into detailing cars. I was just doing it for fun, and people would always tell me on the forums like, man, you're always helping people out, you know, you should sell products. A couple different manufacturers reached out to me about the same time. The owner of a brand called CarPro, which was just entering the detailing scene. It was very small at the time. And he's like, man, I want you to, you know, be my guy in the United States. You know, I'd love for you to test our products. I really trust, you know, what you have to say about them. And we got a relationship going, and eventually he asked me to start selling his products here in the US. That's ultimately what turned it into a career for me. That was the early days. That was the start of it. Originally, when I first started the company, it was out of my house. Like I had the products in my garage and I was shipping in my living room. Where I worked at, my office, was exactly right next door to a storage unit. And so when I have a shipment that had to come in, I could schedule it during my lunch break to where I could just run next door, punch in the code, let them pull into the storage unit. Post office was 1 mile this way, so everything was kind of in a triangle where I could just barely manage it as long as no police saw the way I was driving between these places. So it's very chaotic, but I was on a mission. Anyway, and eventually I outgrew that and like, okay, I've got to do something better than this. And we really didn't have decent software for inventory, so it was really kind of chaotic. We often had a lot of errors, and we'd find out way too late that we were missing inventory. And so as far as anybody looking for inventory or purchasing, shipping software, I would 100% recommend SKULabs for that. So altogether, we've got about 10,000 square feet. This facility, we call it Warehouse 2. We keep most of our overstock in here. We'll do some of our pallet assembly in here as well, but we have a lot of the CarPro brand here. We'll put some Shoal Concepts, Microfiber Madness, all that type of stuff back there. And then all the action is usually in the next warehouse. Warehouse 1, obviously right between Warehouse 2 and our office space. So we have all the way down the left side here, we have all of our CarPro products. And then all along the right side, we have our Shoal Concepts and Jesscar and Tuga and Oberk and just a multitude of other brands down on this side. For me, the team here is like family. I love that when I come to work each day, I get to be around the people that I want to be around. They're probably the kindest people that I know in my life.
I stopped dead in my tracks when I found kind of what he was looking for, because the first line requirement for this job position was be awesome. And the second one was love one another. And the third one was good team member. My favorite part is the family environment.
So we're all definitely really tight-knit here. Like pretty much the 5 years that I've worked here, it's been basically the same group the entire time.
Like everyone feels like part of a huge family here.
The people, everybody here, we all get along so good.
Whenever somebody needs help or somebody's sick, everybody fills in for whenever they need. It's just very loving family, I would say.
You're not gonna find another team that really wants your success above all else. We will be the first ones to tell you not to buy something. We will be the first ones to tell you to use something else if you already have it. When we pick up a phone or answer an email, priority number 1 is to help you. If that means we have a solution that can help you, wonderful. That's gonna be something that we recommend. If we can't, we will go to great lengths to see where we can then send you so you can get that help. The deep-rooted real desire and that want to help people is really what makes us different.
We're constantly telling people, you don't actually need that. That's a waste of your money. You know, do you want it? Yeah, we'll sell it to you, but really all you need is this. So it's really just about honesty. And then obviously the hard working above and beyond is something we've always gone by, is really doing whatever we can to make sure that we get that order out for them if it's possible, get it to them as fast as we can, take good care of them, and just go above and beyond.
Every time you support us, every time you buy a product from us to take care of the things that you love, you support this close-knit team and our families. You are the reason why we have purpose. You are the reason, that we do what we do. And so when you call with anything, we give you that passion back.